Ever wondered how lead-acid batteries are really made inside factories? In this full-length video, we take you step by step through the entire production process, from raw materials to the final tested battery, ready for shipment. What you'll learn in this video: raw material preparation and lead grid casting, paste mixing, plate coating and curing process, assembly line, stacking, welding and sealing, electrolyte filling and formation charging, final testing, quality control and packaging. This isn't just a factory tour, it's a complete manufacturing guide for students, engineers, and anyone curious about how one of the world's most widely used energy storage devices is built. Why watch? Lead-acid batteries power cars, trucks, solar systems, UPS, and countless machines. Understanding the manufacturing secrets behind them will give you real industrial knowledge you won't find in textbooks. If you love videos on industrial processes, factory tours, and engineering knowledge, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more factory secrets and manufacturing guides, comment which step of the process amazed you the most.